Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Now, if you are experiencing a green screen on your iPhone like this or similar, maybe a lighter one, you want to follow these steps to fix it. So the first step you're going to follow is you're going to follow this step. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button. And you're just going to keep on holding down that side button just like this until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. So as you can see here, I'm holding it down and I will let go once I see the Apple logo, just like that. This is known as a forced restart, which forces the phone software to completely shut down and reload the code. So if it's a software related issue causing that green screen effect that you're seeing, it's going to go ahead and fix that for you. So just wait to turn it back on. And if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try it again. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this big side button. Now the next thing is, if you happen to have a lighter version of the green screen, maybe you can still see and touch the screen. What you're going to do is go into your setting. If you can get to your setting and then go to display and brightness. And under display and brightness, you're going to try to go ahead and turn off these two settings. True tone, go ahead and turn that off. And then if you have night shift on, you want to turn it off. So if it's scheduled or turned on by any of these settings, you're going to just simply turn these settings off like that. So with these two settings turned off, you should see the green screen being fixed. Now, if you're still having the issue, maybe this didn't help, the next thing you're going to do is, if you have a screen protector that you recently installed, possibly, or a damaged screen protector, you want to remove that. That could also impact basically the sensors on the iPhone and then potentially cause that green screen effect. Now, along with that, if you're still having an issue, the next thing to do is go into your setting, go to General, Software Update, and look for a software update. Sometimes the update might be fixing those issues, so go ahead and update your phone if there is an update available. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to do is in your setting, go to General, scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and you're going to reset all settings, the first option. Basically, the settings will get reset, however, it will not delete any of your data, but really important to do if you still can't get it to be fixed. And possibly after you tried all this and you're still having issues, it could potentially mean that your iPhone screen is actually damaged. In that case, it's a hardware related issue where you might actually have to replace the screen. And this is something Apple store will be able to tell you if you go ahead and take it to them. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.